Alright, so what I'm trying to do is locate a exhaust leak, and using this vacuum with the blower side going into the exhaust pipe. Got a shirt in there to kind of make up the dead space between the hose and the exhaust pipe. A little bit of tape to hold it on, and I'll show you what I found. Turn it on here. Exhaust leak right there. So I went and bought the gasket for that, and I've got another donut coming out of the you can see that leaking pretty good. So we're going to change out that donut gasket and the gasket back here. It's much worse than that. just to give you an example of how that little vacuum trick works.